Bangin ng kloy pan kren yikaktin phareng kani ka video kani rap epi pat ngala pen miru shibon teli ki jinghikai kum kine phila ban check ngala bo ekaling haka description bat lada pisngeu yo jingmentoy na kani ki jinghikai share lem cheki prolog jongpi bat wat klet ban krisyan dak papi share like ba subscribe prolog to ini page. Everyone should know this. Khasi man la way pa way uhab bantip yakane. People who came from poor family Khasi kibriu kibawan na kilongying kibadok they truly understanding the problem faced by the people. Khasi ki kam sngu thu bha ye ki jing e bamat ki brew. Why I say like that? Balay nga ong kumta. In life, we have to face lots of problems. Khasi, haka jing im jongi, ni haban mat, shibon ki jing e. Don't let your problem put you down. Khasi, what I baka jing e kan pen kan rondin yepi. I never forget people who helped me. Ngamla ban klet ya kibriu kibayarap yanga. You may think that I forget you. Khasi pila ban mudur pangaklet yepi. True friend will never leave you. Kiperlok kibashisha kimju eno yepi. Our best friend is like our brother and sister. Khasi kiperlok kibashisha kilong kum kihenmen kipara. I agree with you. Nga menjur patpi. In our life, always ups and down. Khasi, haka jing im jongi, barabor, kadon ke jing hier, ke jing kiu. But don't lose hope. Henry Ngimday bendu jingkermen. Don't let the words of other will discourage you. Khasi, what I baka kenten kiway kan penduk mensin yepi. Put God first. Bu ya ublay nengkong. Then we will never be last. Khnang ba ngin omlong ki bakhaddo. Why are you asking? Balay pikali. Because I want to know. Namar ngakwa bantip. Struggle now and enjoy later. Khasi pencitom yala di menta selekmen pat haden. I hope you are in good health. Ngakermen pindon hakamet bakoit bakia. It does not matter how slowly you go. Compare lada piyaj suki. As long as you don't stop. Katba pihi pimpat sange. There is a time for everything. Kadon kapor yaki ay baro. Everything come to you at the right time. Be patient. Khasi baro kanwan happy hakapor kabadai. Yasha yakata. Patience is a key of success. Kajing yasha kalong kalenti sya kajing job. Nothing is impossible in this world, but you can make it possible. Khasi amdon kanu kabomla hakane ka perthai. Henry pila banle kata.